like, oh my goodness, this is anything a sports card's gonna come in a different video. This is gonna be my Nerf gun collection. Yes, I haven't been doing this, but has made out ideas of what football cards I could do. So yeah, let's get started. First is this Maverick. It's enough so I can't cock it. Still. Spins. Flip everything out. The odds in there is that thing, and then boom. Next one is my modified Nerf sniper rifle. Took the scope off, but yeah, this. I had silencer, but it fell off. Now I'm just gonna socket. That is for Christmas. Now, these orange buttons that make noise. These things. It might be. This one's probably the last one. Is scope. Okay. Doesn't make noise, but it doesn't. That's that one. Definitely that place is probably my favorite. This comment below if you think I should keep on doing these, yes or no. Oh, this isn't the last one. That's the last one, but based the disc. It's Nerf Vortex Proton. Okay. I think she's flew really far. And then that's definitely not these. The batteries out of this thing. $70 for this. What is this? Executed. So yeah, that's it for now, guys. Comment below if you think I should keep on doing Nerf collections videos. I'll mix them up. Like, I'll make football cards, baseball cards, and all Nerf stuff and all that stuff. Yeah. Let's do a bunch of random stuff if you want me to. So comment below. And my suit.